Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you a DIY that I'm gonna make. It's a entry table, and it's actually funny because my husband DIY'd this table like for Christmas last year. So yeah, it's been sitting there for a while, so I don't even know if I have like the old clips when he made the table. But anyways, it's a super easy table that he DIY with some very old dining table legs that we had, and then he used some boards to make the top of the table. Super easy. So for today's video, I'm going to be painting and repairing like the whole table with some sparkling, and I'm also going to share with you how I'm going to be decorating my entry table and the whole area. So let's get started. Let's DIY together, guys. Hope you like it, and if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed because you never know when I'm going to be uploading new videos. Let's get started. Okay, this is how the table is looking right now. I already add the sparkling. I use this one. I cover all of the holes. This is gonna take a while to dry. I think I'm going to sand this tomorrow. I don't need these legs to look perfect, but I'm going to sand them to make them look just a little bit better. Maybe I need to add some sparkling here and there to cover some like holes. But yeah, these are very old legs from my dining table, and these are the boards that my husband used to make the top. Super simple. He used only 4 on the top, and then he added a small one here to make the table look even better. Now it's time to start sanding the legs, and this is gonna take me a while, but let's get started. Hello and good morning. It's a new day. So today we're going to start by sanding the table to get rid of all of the extra sparkling that it has, so we can have a smooth surface, so we can start painting the entry table. Let's get started. Table is already sand. We have a smooth surface, so now it's time to paint everything. I'm going to use one paint color for the whole entry table, and I'm going to use what I have. I found this chalkboard paint in black color. I really want this table to be black, so I think this is gonna work. A new day, and today we're going to be decorating our entry table. I put it on this entryway, and you probably recognize this entryway because we DIY this whole space a few months back, and I think it's on my other channel, JAZOMY Home, like the video of like the whole makeover. So I'm gonna leave you the link in the description box so you can check it out. But for now, we are going to decorate the entry table. This is how it turns out, and I really like it. And I love that it's black color because it really pops out from the whole like space that we have. We have these wooden boards on like the whole area. We have another one here. So we have a lot of wood in it, and I really want the table to pop out, so I think black is a great color for that. So this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to decorate super fast, super easy, and very neutral. I have this beautiful stem that is from Temu, I think, and this vase that I got from a thrift store. I'm going to put this on one side of the table. I'm going to add these very small vase that I have. Is from Dollar Tree actually. You maybe recognize this. Okay, that's my dog. And I'm going to add these close to the wooden vase, some contrast. Then I have this DIY sign that I did a few years back. It says hi. It has green and white and wood on the side, so I think it's going to work out. And it says hi, so it's in the entry area, so it's perfect. I'm going to put it here. I love that. You can see I have something really high here, something that is going to work perfect on the middle, and then another base and greenery on the other side. Now let's work on the bottom part of our entry table. Okay, for the bottom part I have these baskets. You can add some bags or whatever you have to fill the empty space, and I'm going to add this greenery that it's from IKEA. I just have two, so I'm going to put them here. I think I need one more for this area, but I have two for now. So that is going to be here. I have this for a very long time. I don't have any throw blankets right now that I think that can work on this space. I have this. It's a pillow cover, but this works because I have something else on the other side that is the same like pattern. So to make it match, I'm going to use these because I just need like a very small piece of this, like this, something like that. It looks like a bandana, but I like it. And then I'm going to put a small pillow. This one is from Christmas. Nobody has to know, and that's it. You have to work with the things you have. Guys, I really hope that you like and that you enjoyed today's video, that you can get some ideas to decorate your home. If you like this video, big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned because you never know where I'm going to be uploading new videos. Thank you so much for the love and support. Mwah. See you in the next one. Bye guys.